there, color changers! Welcome back to Daisy's Animal Facts, the channel where we meet the coolest animals on the planet and learn what makes each one special. I'm Daisy, and today we're heading into the trees to meet a creature that's colorful, clever, and totally out of this world. Get ready! Because we're about to climb into the amazing world of chameleons. Chameleons are known for their color-changing skin, googly eyes, and super sticky tongues. They might look a little odd, but these reptiles are packed with incredible features that help them survive in the wild. So grab your binoculars, look up into the leaves, and let's get to know these sneaky little tree climbers. Chameleons are a special group of reptiles. That means they are cold-blooded, have scales, and usually lay eggs. Just like snakes and lizards, chameleons rely on their environment to keep warm or cool down. There are about 200 different species of chameleons, and most of them live in warm places like Africa, Madagascar, Southern Europe, and parts of Asia. A few even live in deserts or mountains. But most prefer forests and jungles where they can climb and hide in the trees. Chameleons belong to a group of lizards that have evolved to do some pretty strange things. Their bodies, feet, eyes, and even their tails are all designed for life in the treetops. And of course, they are most famous for changing colors. But that's not just to look fancy. As we'll see, color changing has a lot of important uses. You might think chameleons change color to blend into their surroundings. And that's partly true, but there's a lot more to the story. Chameleons can shift their skin color using special layers of cells called chromatophores. These cells have tiny crystals inside that reflect light in different ways. When a chameleon gets excited, scared, warm, or cold, it can move these crystals around and change its color. Here's why they do it. Communication. Chameleons use color to talk to each other. A bright color might say, "Back off, I'm mad," while a darker color might mean, "I'm calm and happy." Temperature control. A darker color absorbs more heat from the sun, which helps them warm up. Lighter colors reflect heat to stay cool. Camouflage. Some chameleons do use color to blend into leaves, bark, or branches to hide from predators or sneak up on prey. Mating displays. Males often show off their brightest colors to impress females or challenge other males. So, while it might look like magic, chameleon color changing is actually a very advanced form of body language and survival. Chameleons have some of the most unique bodies in the reptile world. Let's take a closer look. Eyes. Chameleons can move their eyes into different directions at once. That means one eye can look forward while the other looks backward. This gives them a full view of their surroundings without moving their heads. Feet. Chameleons have special feet made for gripping branches. Each foot has 5 toes, grouped in a way that looks like a mitten. This gives them a super strong grip. Tail. Many chameleons have a prehensile tail, which means it can curl around branches and hold on tight. It's like having a 5th limb. Tongue. Chameleons have one of the longest tongues in the animal kingdom compared to their body size. Some can shoot their tongue out more than twice the length of their body to catch food. Their tongue moves lightning fast and is covered in sticky saliva. Body shape. Their bodies are usually tall and narrow, perfect for blending into branches. Some have horns or frills on their heads, which can help with mating displays or defense. Chameleons come in many sizes, too. The smallest chameleon is just over half an inch long, while the largest can grow up to 2 feet long. Chameleons are insectivores, which means they mostly eat insects. Their favorite snacks include crickets, grasshoppers, flies, beetles, caterpillars, and moths. Some larger chameleons will even eat small birds or lizards if they can catch them. Here's how it works. A chameleon spots a bug, slowly creeps closer, and then, snap, its tongue shoots out like a rubber band and grabs the insect. The sticky tip of the tongue makes sure nothing escapes. Chameleons are ambush predators. That means they don't chase their food. Instead, they sit still, wait for something tasty to wander by, and strike with amazing speed and accuracy. Most chameleons live in trees and bushes, where their color-changing skills and gripping feet help them hide from danger. They prefer warm, humid climates, which is why many are found in rainforests and tropical jungles. Some chameleons live on the ground or in dry, rocky areas. Especially in parts of Madagascar, they often bury themselves under leaves or sand to stay safe. And cool! Chameleons are territorial, which means they like to have their own space. Males, in particular, do not like other males entering their area. If that happens, they might puff up, change colors, or try to chase the intruder away. They are also solitary, which means they usually live alone except during mating season. When it's time to reproduce, male chameleons will put on a colorful show to attract a female. If the female is interested, she might change colors too. If she's not, she'll usually turn dark and try to scare him away. Most chameleons lay eggs, though a few species give birth to live young. Depending on the species, a female might lay between 10 and 100 eggs at a time. She usually digs a hole in the soil and buries them to keep them safe. The eggs stay hidden for 2 to 12 months, depending on the species and environment. When the baby chameleons hatch, they are fully formed and ready to start life on their own. They can climb, hunt, and change colors almost right away. Chameleon moms do not care for their babies after birth, so the little ones have to figure things out quickly. Luckily, they are born with all the tools they need. Chameleons have so many awesome abilities. Let's take a look at a few of their most impressive superpowers: color change for communication, camouflage, and body temperature control. 360-degree vision. Their rotating eyes let them see nearly all around without turning their heads. Sticky, lightning-fast tongue can shoot out in 1/16 of a second to catch prey. Tree-gripping toes and tails, perfect for life high in the trees. Silent movers. Their slow, rocking walk helps them sneak up on prey and avoid predators. These adaptations make chameleons some of the most unique reptiles on Earth. Many chameleon species are in trouble. The biggest threats to chameleons include habitat loss from deforestation and farming, climate change, which affects temperature and rainfall, pet trade, where wild chameleons are captured and sold illegally, pollution, which can harm the insects they eat and the plants they depend on. Madagascar, home to more than half the world's chameleon species, is especially at risk. As forests are cut down, many chameleons lose their homes. Conservation groups are working hard to protect these amazing reptiles. Some efforts include creating protected forest areas, educating people about the dangers of illegal pet trade, breeding programs in zoos and wildlife centers, encouraging responsible pet ownership for those who keep chameleons. You can help too by learning about chameleons, supporting conservation groups, and never buying wild-caught animals. Here comes the fun part, a flurry of wild facts you can share with your friends. Chameleons don't have ears, but they can still detect some sounds and vibrations. Their tongues are stored like springs and shoot out faster than the blink of an eye. A chameleon's tongue can be up to twice the length of its body. Some chameleons can see ultraviolet light, which humans cannot. Their eyes have 360-degree vision when working together, but they can also focus on different things at the same time. Chameleons walk with a slow, swaying motion that helps them look like leaves blowing in the wind. Thanks for climbing into the colorful world of chameleons with me today. Whether they're blending in with leaves, shooting out their incredible tongues, or peeking into directions at once, chameleons are some of the coolest creatures you'll ever meet. If you had fun and learned something new, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss another animal adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being awesome. Bye for now from Daisy's Animal Facts.